My name is Nova, and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey, where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Yesterday, I copped 16 Jordan 11 cherries. The moment they dropped, they bricked. I was a little bit scared. However, thankfully, a few hours later, they went up in price. And at this point, I'm pretty sure I sold the vast majority of my pre-orders on eBay. So that's pretty good news. However, I'm not going to log these in my sales until I get the shoes in. Anyways, today we do have the Huff Nike SB Dunk Lows. I'll be happy to even get one. Stock numbers are all right, but you never know with these kinds of drops. I hit one. It's not showing up on my logs. So I got one checkout, and these are today's eBay and Flight Club sales. I am super tired because I just finished fulfilling a massive sale for the Jordan 4 Midnight Navies. A total of 28 shoes. This is how much money I made off of that sale. Really happy that I was able to sell it to one person, because it would have been such a pain in the butt doing individual sales. And I am planning for November to be the last month of season 2 of Sneakers to Riches, so everything has to go. Anyways, tomorrow we do have a big drop. We got Amamangir, Jordan 4s dropping, and that one we cannot miss. One of the most important drops of the year in my opinion, so we gotta get at least one of those. Might have fucked up, guys. Oh, this is fucked. Dude, this is I can't. I took an L, bro. I took an L. I did something super wrong. Oh my gosh, guys. I am so tempted to just end the stream and just rage, bro. This was so easy. I just did the wrong thing. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so f***ing mad right now. Like actually. Dude, Valor did amazing. I want to redo. Hey, Jesse, my boy, let's go. I'm happy for you. This L hit different. The whole chat outcooked me, basically. Seems like manual users cooked. Everyone who used the bot that I used cooked. But there I was. With only one shot at this, I put in the wrong link. You can't edit it anymore because for drops like these, once you've locked it in, you can't change it anymore. This was a huge bag that I fumbled, and this was really one of those drops where you could have made thousands of dollars off a single release, and it was super easy. All I had to do was paste the correct link, and I messed that up big time. I usually don't care all too much whenever I take an L, but to be honest, for this one, it was super embarrassing. I just wanted to disappear. But unfortunately, I can't do that. I got to fulfill orders I made on eBay, and here they are, the sales for today. I'm using today's negative emotions as fuel to try to absolutely crush the next major release, which will be the Jordan 1 Lost and Found in a few days from now. So today, Finish Line decided to drop their Jordan 1 Lost and Found early. Luckily for me, I was able to get one. So we already have a head start on that release. And we got a couple of these Jordan 7 trophy rooms that came in. Very, very beautiful shoe. And a couple of the Jordan 11 cherries that came in as well. Damn, these are clean. Jordan 11s are always so beautiful. I just wanna hold that. I wanna wear it actually. Damn, these are nice. As I mentioned, I sold some pre-orders of these when they first shock dropped, so I should be able to fulfill a few of those orders. Anyways, tomorrow the rest of the websites are going to be dropping the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. This is probably the most hyped sneaker of the year. Everybody has been waiting for this, and it's going to be a really, really difficult release. Leading up to this point, a lot of people have been saying that there's going to be like basically infinite stock. I've always been skeptical of that. Either way, I'm going to be trying my best. This is it. This is the one. This is the drop to get. Thankfully, I already got one, so we got a head start, but we need a lot of these. Let's see how we do tomorrow. Oh, I got 3 processing. Go through 4 processing. Yo, oh no, one of them. Let's go. I got 1 checkout failed. Another one. Yes. They're GS pairs, but I don't care. I'm gonna check on my Nikes bots. Oh, not looking good, fellas. I'm barely entering. 6 entered on my other one. Oh, I forgot to turn off my automations. RIP. Oh, wait, no! That's not automation! That's a checkout! I'm stupid. I checked out on Prism. It was a very successful release, so we ended up with 16 during the initial drops, lots of hiccups, a few headaches, but overall I'm very happy with it. And then during the restocks, I hit 7 more pairs using Prism. What an amazing underrated bot. I was able to secure a total of 23 checkouts. I don't know how many are actually going to ship out. If I had to take a guess, maybe 1 or 2 of these might get canceled. I think worst case scenario, I still get over 20 pairs shipped out, so I'm super happy about that. Today I sold a few Panda Dunks, and I was also able to fulfill a few more of these Jordan 11 Cherry pre-orders. And some of the Jordan 1s finally came in. I'm super excited to unbox them. But first, I gotta get these out the door. By the way, just in case you were wondering, as I was personally curious about it, the little sale stickers, those are actual stickers that I'm pretty sure you can remove. I'm not gonna try to, but the reason why I was wondering about that is because at first I thought it was just part of the box, you know, like printed onto the box, but they're actual stickers. Another thing that I was curious about is the texture of the box. Basically, this distressed look is just the print. It would have been crazy if they actually, like, you know, wore this down. But yeah, it's just a print. Anyways, let's finally get to the shoes. This is my size. I want to wear it so freaking bad. Sorry that this is going to be a really lame sneaker overview, but the shoe speaks for itself. It is absolutely gorgeous. You know what though? I still kind of wish that they released it with like without the cracked leather, without the entire like vintage look. If I'm not mistaken, most people I think would have preferred it that way. Okay, today's the day. Jordan 4 Among Years are going to be dropping again. I need to get these because I absolutely failed last time. Waiting for product, and I posted the right link this time. I did. Bro, I did something wrong for sure. Again. I figured it out, guys. I figured it out. I figured out what went wrong. I was wondering, why the f isn't it working? Dude, I was furious. I figured it out. Basically, as I mentioned, you gotta put in the product link, and then you gotta click the size. I hit one. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, I hit another one, size 10. Oh, I just hit another one. I got 3 of the Among Year 4s. I'm happy with that. Next up, we have Panda Dunks dropping for the millionth time. So here we go. Oh, I hit one. I hit a GS size 7.5. I hit another one, size 9.5, man. Another one, size 9. Okay, so size 9 actually went through. I don't know why it was giving that error. Oh shit, dude, I'm cooking these up. Today was a very good day, 8 checkouts, although it could have went better, I can't really complain. Anyways, these are today's sales. Sold a pair of UCLA Dunks and a pair of Yeezy Foam Runner Carbons. Over the next few days, I didn't really go for any drops, but some shoes came in and I still continue to sell sneakers. So here are my November 25th sales. And we continue on the 28th. Earlier today, I was able to cop some DJ Khaled We The Best Jordan 5s in the sale colorway, and we were also able to cop a couple of the Jordan 4 Military Blacks that restocked on Foot Locker. Unfortunately though, my recording got corrupted because shortly after getting those hits, my computer had a blue screen of death, so no footage for that. And we also sold 5 sneakers, some Dunks, some Jordans. And a few months ago, TaylorMade had a collaboration with Kith, so they dropped some of these. I don't exactly know what they are. I've never played golf in my life before, nor do I know anything about the sport. But it was a pre-order item, so I copped one. I only copped one because I didn't want to full send something that I didn't know too much about. And also, it was a pre-order, so basically stock was infinite. It was sitting on the website for hours and a lot of people got nervous, including myself, but I stuck through it. The order finally came in and I was actually able to sell it right away for around $88 in profit, so super happy with that. I'm glad that I didn't try to cancel the item because honestly, as long as you were patient, this was a super easy $88 profit. These are the packages that came in. These Amamir 4s look freaking amazing. I can't believe I failed so many times on this release. Got the rest of the lost and founds in. Anyway, today we do have Nike CPFM releasing hairy looking overgrown shoes. I'll be honest with you, I don't like these. They're dropping, they're limited. I consider it to be like a collector's item. So yeah, we're going for them. Guys, I don't think I'm a hit.
What the f? Guys, I hit one. Let's go.
I am so happy. I am so happy. Let's go. And these 2 Dunks are today's sales. Today we have the last scheduled release of the month. In fact, I think this is the last scheduled release of the series. DTLR is going to be restocking the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. This whole drop is an entire mess already. So yeah, I'm not expecting to get anything, but if I do, that would be fantastic. Processing. Yo, give it to me, give it to me. Please, it's... These are today's sales. Sold all of my Alma Mater Jordan 4s. This is the end of the month, so usually I would do some sort of recap as far as finances. We're just gonna cover it quickly here. So this is basically how we're doing so far. And the next episode is going to be the grand finale. Basically, I'm gonna give myself up until around the middle of December to try to sell everything that I have in my inventory. And from there, we get to see how much total money I made in Sneakers to Riches Season 2.